Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Cancer growth is often driven by cell signaling pathways gone wild. Let's quickly solve this biology problem by finding the best way to stop tumors.
Tumor growth in this specific scenario is driven by the overexpression of EGF. This protein binds to the HER2 receptor, which then triggers a signaling pathway that causes uncontrolled cell division.
To effectively inhibit this growth, we must find a way to block that pathway. We need a drug that stops the signal from ever starting at the cell surface receptor site.
A drug that binds to HER2 will block EGF from connecting. This prevents activation, making option A the correct choice for stopping the tumor.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush. Trust the given data to find the right inhibitor.